Enjoy first-class air quality. The energy-efficient ventilation systems from PICHLER ensure a healthy room climate day and night, regardless of whether your space is a new build or a renovation. The heart of the mechanical ventilation is the LG350 or LG450 compact ventilation unit. The system is designed for living areas of around 100 to 350 square meters. The LG350 is suitable for standing or wall-mounted installation in frost-free rooms. The adjustable feet are easily removable for wall installation. Fresh air is brought in and stale air is discharged via the outdoor air and exhaust air ducts. The outer wall element serves as a weather protection grille enclosure for the outdoor and exhaust air ducts on the facade. Filtered air is brought into the interior via the supply air line. The LBE air humidification unit can be installed after the ventilation unit. The installation of a silencer dampens any operating noise. The supply air line ends in the floor distributor. The used air is routed to the ventilation unit via the extract air line, the silencer, and the floor distributor. The flexible complex pipes lead from the floor distributors to the ventilation valves in the living areas. This ensures the hygienically necessary air exchange throughout the building. The used room air is pulled out of the interior space and routed to the ventilation unit as extract air. The extract air is filtered and flows outside via the heat recovery system and the exhaust air fan. The fresh air is supplied from outside and also filtered. When outside temperatures are very low, the air is preheated by an electric heating element to prevent the heat recovery system from icing up. The efficient heat exchanger ensures that over 90% of the energy from the extract air can be recovered for the supply air. The fresh air is brought into the supply air rooms. In summer, a bypass circuit allows bypassing the heat recovery. In this way, the outdoor air can be fed directly into the supply air rooms during the cool hours of the night. PICHLER residential ventilation units for comfort, health, and efficiency throughout your house.